what's this? Last cheesecake before exit? Wow, this sure is a nice place here. Yes, certainly. I bet all the baking's done right on the premises.
Bill,
boy,
it's on.
to eat out.
Bill, get up.
Hey, buddy, we don't have much room here, so you
Sam.
have to share a booth.
Up and out of Sam, let's go.
Oh, why is it on so late?
Because at 8 o'clock you can't say, Jane, you ignorant slut.
I got your ice cream right here. What do you say, fellas? Who wants your ice cream, huh?
2 down front, Dad.
Okie doke. Here you go.
Thank you.
All right. Sammy, my boy. Oh, Sammy, man, would you want some ice
Thanks.
cream? Bill? Bill? Come on, Bill. We got ice cream and Saturday Night Live. Bill? Bill?
Hello, my name's Paulie Herman.
Nice to meet you.
I'm from Jersey.
God, I miss Bill Murray.
Piscopo cracks me up.
Oh, I love Piscopo.
Dad, if Bill's not gonna eat his ice cream, can I have it?
Oh, Bill's gonna have his ice cream because Bill. Live from New York! It's Saturday Night, Bill!
Why do you guys always put stuff on me?
I'm bringing some pop. That'll keep you guys up.
A lot of contemporary artists. Look at that, Jerry.
Your dad's the coolest.
I heard that.
Jersey.
Yeah.
I give a damn about my reputation. Living in the past, it's a new generation. Don't do what you want to do, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I don't give a damn about my bad reputation. Oh no, 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 not me. Wow. Not me. I don't give a damn about my reputation. I've never been afraid of any deviation. And I don't really care, think I'm strange. I ain't gonna change. And I'm never gonna care about my bad reputation. Not me!
What are they doing to this song?
What song is it?
It was Chicago's 25 or 6 to 4, but now it's totally unrecognizable.
Why do you even know this song, man?
Because it's a good song, man.
Oh my god, you guys, check out the pizza-faced dork with the trombone.